Everyone is concerned when they start something new because they don't know what to expect and it's scary. But I would recommend, Pilates especially, to anyone. Sandhya has been fantastic to me, thank you. My back has improved, my core. I'm pretty flexible, but what I love about you adapt for everyone. We're all different. There's no competition. We have a giggle. Life is like that. But I would just ask anybody, give it a go. You've got nothing to lose, but absolutely so much to gain.
And how do you feel usually at the end of a class?
Totally invigorated. I mean, like now, I feel as though I could dance for the world. And I probably would because I love dancing. But no, it's just great. And I'm so glad that I met you and I made that step. And I would recommend that to anybody.
Did you have any concerns before you?
Well, just the usual that we all do. We don't know what we can do. We've all got different abilities. And in this class especially, we're all different. Some are more flexible. But what I love about you adapt for everyone. There's a different way, 2 or 3 different ways for you to do a movement. But the strengthening, it's gentle. That's what I love. But it's so strengthening. And you've taught us that. And it's a great class and I love it. Thank you.
Thank you, Alison.